So tell me about yourself.
Sir, I am sitting in front of yourself, myself Rakesh Mohanty, and I am technology mad.
Is this you? Feeling nervous in client calls or meetings, especially when explaining technical concepts? You're not alone. I've been there too, and if I can overcome it, so can you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tech Glam Girl aka Shivani, a senior software engineer who loves sharing tips about tech, corporate life and everything in between. But here's something most people don't know about. I didn't grow up in an all-time English-speaking environment. My parents, friends and almost everyone around me spoke either Hindi or Marathi. But I realized early on that spoken English is a game changer for career growth. So I had to find a way to improve. Thankfully, my mom understood this too. She made us do fun exercises to improve grammar, sentence building and confidence. But I know not everyone gets that kind of practice at home. But that's why today I'm sharing practical, easy to follow steps on how to speak English fluently and confidently in a corporate setting, especially in the IT world. Before starting this video, I need you guys to keep one thing in mind. Whether you're a coder, tester, analyst or a manager or just a fresher who's just starting out in the career, English is the language of IT. Your clients, managers, emails and even team messages, they are all going to be in English. So, instead of avoiding it, let's learn it in such a way that language does not become a barrier in your career and you can communicate without any hesitation and with extreme confidence. Just the way you learn coding languages like Java, C or Python, English is just another language. If you like watching movies, switch to watching English content on Netflix or any other OTT platform.
You can watch TED Talks as well, available on YouTube.
If you love watching sports, or for Indians, cricket, watch English commentary. A few English commentators like Akash Chopra or Harsha Bhogle are just amazing commentators. Doing this will help you understand the pronunciation of words, how a sentence is framed and structured, and how they are delivering it. If you're just a beginner and want to consume basic level English content, you can actually watch cartoons and shows. They are very simple to understand and the vocabulary is plain and simple with a lot of clarity. Point number 2. Want to think in English? Start reading in English. How do you do that? Read. Read tech blogs, LinkedIn posts or simple books that interest you. For example, I have been reading Harry Potter since my childhood and it has helped me a lot in framing sentences and forming views about topics in English. As you read, it will help you add newer words to your brain dictionary and will eventually make you or force you to think in English and to make your opinions in English. Third, the biggest mistake, not speaking at all because of the fear. I understand that it's a harsh world out there. People get judged easily on the smallest of mistakes. But speak more even if you make mistakes. Using English even if it's not perfect. You can actually start small. Talk to colleagues in English. Talk to your friends in English. Maybe just talk to yourself in English. Speak in front of a mirror daily for 2 minutes. Just like in any interview, you can introduce yourself. You can ask yourself technical questions. For example, what is DSA? And then answer everything by forming the sentences and delivering them with confidence. Point number 4. Improve your day-to-day communication skills. Common mistake is thinking in Hindi or Marathi and then translating it into English. Solution? Train your brain to think in English directly. For example, मुझे project update देना है. I have to give project update? No, I need to share the project update. Every day you give your update to your scrum master or lead, so practice your communication way ahead. Today, I have a client call. I will complete my module and I'll review a PR. Simple. Point number 5. Use AI as your practice partner. I understand that practicing alone can be boring, right? Chat with AI tools. Try this. Use ChatGPT or Google Bard or any other AI assistant and have a daily 5-minute conversation in English. Example, ask, can you interview me for a software engineer job? And answer like it's a real interview. AI corrects mistakes without judging you. No problem. So final thoughts, the truth about fluency. So here's the truth. Fluency isn't about speaking perfect English. It's about speaking with confidence. And confidence comes with practice. The more you read, listen, think and speak in English, the more natural it becomes. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Every sentence you speak in English is progress. Every mistake you make is a step towards fluency. So no more hesitation, no more overthinking. Just take action. Pick one tip from this video and start using it today. And tell me in the comments which one are you trying first. If you find this helpful, hit like, share and subscribe and share it with your friends for more corporate and tech career tips. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing and keep speaking English.